disc and shoulders today. Got the 140 M3 to 2016 here. Show everybody what it's looking like here. Not getting super aggressive in this township, just kind of cleaning the edges up, getting some of the gravel back off the edge here. I got this retriever shouldering disc that goes on my front lift group here. So the key with this retriever disc on the motor grader on the front paralift is you want to have this wheel running right on the gravel. Your front disc cutting any sod, and then anything behind that you want to take and use your other disc to cut the grass with, per se. And then I run it with this cylinder right in the middle of this block here, and then you just control the depth of the outside of the disc with your lift group up and down. It's all pretty straightforward as far as that goes. Doing a really nice job. It's really drying out nice. Got a fairly windy day here, so things are working up nicely. But I'll take and set my camera up here and get some action shots of this going, and we'll keep the day going here. Well, we're discing shoulders again today. Got the retriever on the front of the blade here. So I'll show you how I set this down. So right now I got pressure just a little bit on that front steel wheel. I'll put that in the middle of the block. I'll pick it up just a little bit here. I'll start out in 4th gear. Then I'll bump into 5th. And now how I'm controlling the disc outside here is I either push down on my lift group, and if I want the back end to cut a little bit more, I just take and lift the lift group up, causing the outside of that disc to drop down a little bit. I had a couple people ask how how much material I take with my disc. If your roads are in pretty good shape and you don't have much curb and gutter out there, ideally you want to take a 1/2 inch to 1 inch of material. If you got a lot of curb and gutter where you got a 3 to 4 inch lip in some spots, you're gonna have to get pretty aggressive with it. Obviously you just don't want to make another edge out there. You want to get all the way out to the edge of the road where your hinge point is, and cut that clean. So like right now, this township I've disced a couple years back to back, so I got a lot of my curb and gutter, is what I like to call it, behind shoulders, cut off the edge of the road here now. So I'm pretty much just lightly doing it again, just to kind of get back the gravel edge and get rid of whatever lip that is there, and just kind of cast that off. Definitely don't need to get real aggressive with it. The biggest mistake people make with a retriever disc is they think it's meant to dig, and it's really not. It was only meant to cut about a 1/2 inch to 1 inch of material at a time. Sure, it'll cut more, but you get that aggressive, you get so much more dirt. This here, if you can take and work at it a couple years in a row and do it little by little, it's not near as big as a mess. Everybody asks why we do this. Well, it helps keep our shoulders maintained, and when it comes like a dry summer, you always have traffic and stuff pushing the road or the gravel out to the edge. With this disc here, we can reach out and bring that back in with very minimal disruption. So this road here, even if it does rain, people can still drive on it. It's not that big a deal. And then on top of that, the disc, it cuts all this material up so much that when I go to pull in this here material, it's only going to take me probably 4 bladings, and this material will be all worked out and already incorporated into the road. So that's very nice to have. That's kind of the grand scheme of things here as far as running a retriever disc. I'm a big fan of them. I really like them. I think everybody should have one, as long as you know how to use it and it's used correctly. It's a big time saver. I mean, I've disced a whole township today in about 9 hours, and that's 40 miles. That's done twice, so that's 80 miles in one day. And my average speed is around 8.5 to 9 miles an hour. I'm running 5th gear, and that seems to what works best for me with this disc. I know some guys like to travel faster, which is fine, but I'd like to keep it kind of more on the edge of the road and not be a disruption to the motoring public any more than I have to. But with that, I'd like to thank everybody for watching. Please like the video, and if you got a question, put it down in the comments. I'll do my best to answer. And we'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.